The condition of their house in Florida Blanca, Pampanga can be seen in the footage captured by Ria Rica Alejandrino, where floodwaters in their area have reached knee-high due to continuous rain brought by the southwest monsoon. Meanwhile, in the footage taken by uploader Wingard Kenneth Tungol, the Lubao Bypass Road in Lubao, Pampanga looked like an ocean after being submerged in floodwaters due to intermittent rains brought by the southwest monsoon. The slow movement of passing vehicles can also be seen due to the flooding. In the photos taken by Jelami Paul Cruz, the nearly chest-high floods in Barangay Santa Cruz in San Simon, Pampanga, due to rainfall brought by the southwest monsoon can be seen. Because of the high and still rising floodwaters, residents are now using boats to reach their destinations. The Department of Public Works and Highways conducted clearing operations at Sapang Uyong Creek in Guagua and Marimla Creek in Lubao to remove clogged garbage and debris to speed up the flow of water in flood-affected areas. The DPWH also conducted a sandbagging activity in Barangay San Isidro, Tarlac City after the newly constructed dike in the area collapsed due to strong water currents. This aims to prevent further damage to the said dike and to protect nearby houses. Around 200 relief food packs were distributed by the Philippine Red Cross to residents of Barangay Gugo in Kalumpit, Bulacan, who were also affected by flooding brought by the southwest monsoon. Gab Humilde Villegas, for The Nation.